Oh, how cute. Puppies! Hey, puppies.
Okay, I'll let you go. Okay. I think these puppies are way too much. I think we can keep them. I love them because they're cute. I love these puppies. They're cute. I'm trying to teach one a trick. I gave one a snack. Yeah, I want to try to teach one two tricks. Very careful, Whoopi. Oh, great.
Make sure you lock the thing back. Do you get dirt on you?
No, it got it. Snuff and sneeze and poopy. Yuppie. Are they all boys or girls? Did you talk about her like, are these females or boys?
There's most of them are girls and a couple of them are boys.
Oh, I want this one. What was this one for? Okay. Shake. Puppy, shake. I think I want this one. Mommy, what is this one? Get.
I don't know.
Get. Here,
It's a girl.
It's a girl? I want to try to teach a puppy something, but they're getting in the way. Mommy, can I take one out? Needs a boy. Can I take one? Can I take one out?
No, they need to stay in here.
Dang it, I want to teach one.